Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video topic is how to convert Python script file to an executable application file. For example, here I have this EMI calculator Python script. Let me double click on it to open. Here you can see this is the EMI calculator application. I want to share this application to other users who don't have Python installed in their computer. In that case, I have to convert this Python script to an executable application. To convert this Python script to an executable application, first of all, open here Windows PowerShell. You can search here PowerShell and it will show here Windows PowerShell. Click on it to open. First of all, you need to install the tool required for converting the script into executable application. The name of the tool is PyInstaller. To install the PyInstaller, put here pip space install space PyInstaller, then press enter. Here it is given as requirement already satisfied because I have already installed this PyInstaller in my computer. But if you haven't, then it will start installing this PyInstaller tool. Once the installation is finished, then you have to copy the location of this script. For that, click on this folder address bar. Then copy this location, that is E drive EMI cals folder. Right click and copy. Go to PowerShell, then put here cd space double quotation, then paste the location you copied by pressing Ctrl V, then put double quotation, press enter. Now PowerShell has selected this E drive EMI calculation folder. Now to convert the script into executable application, put here PyInstaller space double dash, then Onefile space double dash no console space, then put the name of the script, that is EMI underscore calculator. So go to PowerShell, then put here EMI underscore calculator. Then put the extension of the file, that is .py, which is the Python file. Now press enter. Here you can see PyInstaller has started building the application package file. Wait until the process gets finished. Here you can see build complete. The results are available in E drive EMI cals folder, then the dist folder. Minimize this PowerShell. Now here you can see some other folders are created where you can see this distribution folder. Open this distribution folder and here you can see the EMI calculator executable application is created. You can simply double click on this to open the application. Here you see the application launch. Now you can share this executable application file to other users who don't have Python installed in their computer. They can simply double click on this application and use the EMI calculator. And this method of creating executable application file from the Python script has one disadvantage. That is, if the application is very big, then it takes lots of time to launch the application. So in case of the big applications, there is another method, that is one directory method. So in the next video, I'll show you the one directory method of creating executable application file from the Python script. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in next tutorial.